On the auspicious first day of Durga Puja celebrations in Shillong, Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari launched Shishir Bindu, a commemorative souvenir from the Hathat Colony Durga Puja Committee. The event, attended by committee members and devotees, highlighted the cultural and spiritual significance of the festival in the local community. Dr. Tiwari praised the committee for its dedication to upholding traditions while celebrating with grandeur and devotion. The souvenir not only honors the rich heritage of Durga Puja but also fosters community unity, setting a positive tone for the festivities ahead.
उससे भी बेहतर जो इसका कवर प्रिंट और डिजाइन बहुत सुंदर है। और अगर आप इसको देखें तो जिस तरीके से कि माँ के बाल रूप को कैसे आगे बढ़ते हुए घुंघरू की एक